You gotta relax, buddy. Relax. They'll be here very shortly.
Oh shit, they're not getting here any faster. Oh shit. I'm sorry.
Is he pinned?
Nah, he's not pinned. His leg is broke though. He's alright.
Oh my god.
I mean, he's not alright, but
Yeah, I see it.
Oh my fucking god.
Better than a head injury, man.
Yo, buddy, just stay right there, right? The ambulance is on its way.
Broken neck.
You're gonna be alright. Don't
Broke
move.
my fucking shoulder and wrist.
Oh my fucking god. Somebody
not
just...
yet. Hold on, I'm trying to help this kid out.
Oh.
Yo, I know it hurts, alright, but don't move.
Oh my god, I can't believe this shit.
Just relax, man. It'll be alright, man.
I can't feel this shit. Oh my god. I can't... Yo, I'm sorry. Well, the fucking driver is, I'm sorry.
There's no need to even apologize. It's an accident, you know? Just thank God that you're still alive, man. I ride also.
Oh my god, yes.
I ride also, man. Just thank God right now you're alive, you know what I'm saying?
Oh my... Fuck. 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 Shit.
If you can't, just try not to think about it. Just keep, you know what I'm saying? Just stay still, man. Try not to even think about the pain right now.
Okay, alright.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
Don't move, buddy. Just stay right there.
Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh. Oh shit. Fuck. 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 Oh my god. What? Fuck.
Yeah, I was coming up. He was coming on one. I was having my own shop.
Oh my god.
Just relax, man.
Man, I think I'm going to shit. Oh shit, I think I'm going to shop.
My friend, you haven't made a call your family?
You gotta